mixing love and money. I'm just going to spend a minute on this too. It's not as funny as it sounds. Okay, so if you have a life partner, these are the easy things to talk about. Should you have a will? How much should you have life insurance? Who are the beneficiaries on your retirement accounts? You might still have your sibling as the beneficiary retirement account, even though you're married now. Should you have a joint bank account? I don't think it's necessary. I don't think it can hurt. But I never advise you to have joint credit cards. You never want to have joint liabilities. There's no reason to share liabilities. I don't know why people get joint credit cards. It always ends badly. Love isn't always forever. Sometimes it is, but it's not always forever. So my general advice is joint assets are fine. Joint liabilities, I don't think, are a great idea. Now, some of the harder things. And I see this a lot when I work with some clients, particularly as they get older, their second marriages, there's kids from one marriage and not the other. One of you may have a trust fund and one of you may have $200,000 of student loans. It's very complicated to work that out in a relationship. I don't think it's easy. One of you may earn a lot more money than the other person. And so how do you split the expenses? Well, it's not obvious what the right answer is. You have a question?
Yes, on that joint credit card issue, what about authorized users? Are they the same, not the same?
Authorized user, well, you're authorizing, as long as you trust that person. Why would you authorize a user if they could get their own credit card?
The card has benefits such that it doesn't make sense for them to have the same pay card.
Yeah, then I think it's okay as long as you really trust each other. And the spending limit is not that high. I wouldn't do it. These points are so overrated. These credit card points, the marketing of this is unbelievable. If you work, if you go work for McKinsey or for Goldman Sachs and you're on the road every week, it's one thing, but in general, they're overrated. Saving versus spending. No two people are the same. What if one of you is a saver and one of you is a spender? One of you just wants to max out the Roth IRA because you came and listened to me, and the other just wants to go to Cancun all the time. It's very hard to resolve that. It's not easy. People have different attitudes about risk. I want to put my money in the bank. I want to invest in the stock market. These things are hard. One of you supports, the NRA, and one of you supports the coalition to end handgun violence. These things are hard to sort out. Maybe, do you give to both of them? Do you give to neither? It might be better if you gave to neither and you end up with the money. One of you, your parents paid for college. The other worked your way through college and is paying off student loans. You have different attitudes about your own kids. So my main point here, I don't have the answers, is the sooner you talk about these things, the better. That I'm certain of.